My name is Dr. Todd Driver. I'm a cataract surgeon in Irvine, California, and one of my patients asked me if he could see what femtosecond laser cataract surgery looked like. So I decided to get footage from a real femtosecond laser cataract surgery that I did fairly recently, and here it is. Watch the entire video to see the surgery from start to finish. A lot of my patients ask me how we can use a laser in the eye without damaging the eye. This laser generates a bubble at a 3D point in space, so it doesn't damage any of the surrounding structures. And we're able to very precisely make cuts inside the eye to help me do the cataract surgery more gently. Here, the laser is being docked to the eye. Now here the laser is scanning the eye and mapping out all the structures to plan for the laser treatment. Now you can see the pattern of treatment that's going to be done. We're going to divide the lens up into 8 pieces called octants. And now here the treatment is starting. You can kind of see these little bubbles forming in the image. Those are those little bubbles I was telling you about, very precisely dissecting the lens into small pieces, which will help make the cataract surgery gentler and more efficient. This last part you can see, this is where we put the arcuate incisions on the cornea. This is what the laser can use to reduce the astigmatism of the eye and can help sharpen up the image after cataract surgery. Here's the beginning of the cataract surgery. The first thing I do is I remove the cap to open up the capsular rhexis, which is the circular opening that enables me to access the cataract. And here I am doing hydrodissection, which is using fluid to separate the cataract from the capsule that's holding it. That enables us to preserve the capsule to hold your artificial lens in place, but remove the cataract safely from it. Right now, I'm using a phacoemulsification probe, which uses ultrasound energy to liquefy the cataract and help me divide it into small pieces to gently and safely remove the cataract from the eye. Now I'm inserting a second instrument called a chopper, which helps me divide the lens up into small pieces and move the lens around in the eye to help me remove the cataract safely and more efficiently. Now I'm using the chopper to help feed the cataract into my phacoemulsification probe so I can liquefy the cataract and remove it from the eye. This part of the surgery is using an irrigation aspiration handpiece, which helps me remove the outermost layer of the cataract, which is called the cortex. Here I am peeling the cortex away from the capsular bag to leave the capsular bag as clean as possible before I implant the new artificial lens implant. Now I'm inflating the eye with a gel called viscoelastic. This helps keep the eye inflated so I can safely implant the new artificial lens implant. Now I'm going to insert the intraocular lens inside the eye. The lens is rolled up like a burrito, and once I inject it in the eye, it unfolds inside the eye and expands inside the capsular bag. And this is what keeps the lens centered and stable in your eye after surgery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's any other topics you want me to cover in future videos in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.